Alright, got my Gsxr RS3 exhaust. It was, as y'all know, about 6 inches longer. I took its carbon fiber, I took the rivets out, cut the carbon fiber down, repacked it, and riveted it back together, so you can tell it's a whole lot shorter than it was. Quite a bit louder. I'm going to show y'all how much louder. And that's the exhaust. You can take it and take the rivets out right around here and there, and you cut it back, and then you just repack it, rivet it back, and bolt it on, and you got yourself your custom shorty Gsxr RS3 exhaust. Thanks.